Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to access the affiliate program for Make.com. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are trying to go ahead and get into the affiliate program with Make.com. How do you actually go ahead and do that? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But first, we're going to hop onto our Make.com account. And then on the bottom left-hand side, you're going to click on your name and then click on affiliate program. Now, because I'm already signed up to Make.com's affiliate program, you might see different prompts compared to what I'm seeing. Those prompts might involve you entering your Make.com affiliate link. So with that, you just need to sign up for the affiliate program with Make.com, and then you'll reach a dashboard that looks like this. Afterwards, you can click on copy, which is located right over here. And once this link is copied, you can send it to friends and family members so that they can join Make.com using your affiliate program link. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and get the affiliate program for Make.com. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.